Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka office tray kap jong ka district medical and health officer ka Bhoi district. Mendak singi ka lapli pat ba ya ka program Dawai jingada naga jingpang polio ha ka district. Ya ka belatib kum ka National Immunization Day, Pulse Polio campaign hapo ka phangpdeng every drop counts, every child matters. Hakani ka program ka balapenong hanongpo Urban Health and Wellness Center ha lingkadat. Lawan ban Shimantalang do Dr. Abhishek Saini, Deputy Commissioner kari Bhoi, ka Dr. A.R. Marak DMHO kari Bhoi, nalor kiwe de ki he officer ka kot ka kya ki Kmie lembat ki khnarin. Haba ajingkran hakani ka sngi u Dr. Abhishek Saini, ula banjur halor ki jingdan kam ban ay ya ka Dawai Polio, bat Kyntu ki Kmie ki kpa haka district hi borok away, makin shimkya, bagi Khunrit jongki kinyo ya ka Dawai jingada, dak babendap batang RCN penjau kani ka Dawai kala banyada yaki khna naga jingpang bashir khei kum ka polio.
This program at the event of the Pulse Polio immunization. So to all the people, I would like to appeal to bring their children for the Pulse Polio immunization. This vaccination is very important for them in order to ensure protection from a very difficult disease, which is polio. And just 2 drops of this will be life-saving for them. So I appeal to all the people of the district, all the parents, the mothers, to please make sure that during this campaign, the children should be vaccinated and the polio drops should be given to them. And once again, I'd like to thank the health department and all the team for their efforts, and I hope that this campaign will be very successful. Thank you.
We are always grateful to the office of this the Deputy Commissioner for giving us this land to have our own building in this complex. We were really struggling, sir, to have a house of our own, to have a building of our own. The ones we get in Nongpo were too costly, which we cannot afford. So we are really grateful for the office of the Deputy Commissioner for lending us this land. And also we have another adolescent clinic in Muda building. Yes, sir. That is also because of favor of I can say favor of DC office. We could get that room also in Muda. We are trying to develop that building also, that room also, for the convenience of people. So, sir, I would like to request you to give the first drop of polio, 2 drops for the lucky child who is here today.